look at these lids. Okay, I'm racing with this delivery driver. McDonald's! Do you guys like Monster or Red Bull? Comment down below. I like to buy white Monster because I wasn't blessed with one at birth.
Please stay.
What is happening? Why is there so much traffic right here and right now? Excuse me, oh, sir, I'm just gonna scoot through here.
I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take.
It's the Popo. What is he doing? He's like just chilling his phone. Type shit. Type shit.
He